Hi everyone, in this video I would like to talk and show how Weglot translate the URLs. And if we go here to the pricing, we have to check first which are the options and the plans that we can actually do this. And for the advanced plan and so on, we can do the translation of URLs. This is a part recommended for the SEO. Weglot SEO helps, and I have shown in other video how can you improve your rankings and how actually also Weglot it's part of that improvement or compliant with the SEO requirements, especially for international SEO. But in the case that you also want to translate the URLs, you can do it only from the advanced plan and so on. With some other WordPress plugins such as wpml, you can do it just from the beginning. So that's a big difference between these two plugins. But in case that you want to use Weglot because it's really fast, it's accurate, and it's a really good plugin that I do recommend, especially for WooCommerce. You have an e-commerce store such as Shopify, then Weglot it's a really good plugin. But in the case of Shopify, to translate the URLs, you cannot use the subfolders. You can only use subdomains because mainly of the structure of Shopify. But furthermore, I will focus on the WordPress website. I have here a dummy website, a test website that I will show you. Here, for example, I have a blog post where the content is in English. And if we want to translate it to Spanish, in this case, it will be in a matter of seconds. Just by visiting the website and clicking on the language, the content will be translated. But what is not translated at the moment or at the instant is the URL. So what we'll have to do to translate the URL here in Weglot, we will have to go to the dashboard, then go to the translation area, URLs. This one, if you have the advanced plans, it will be now available to be used. We can search for the URL Slug. And here we can either add manually or check out the automatic translation. It will be saved. And if we go back here to the main blog post or page or product, we can just update. And it will appear now the translated version of the URL. So as you have seen, it's also really simple, really fast to do the translation. It's possible, but only with the advanced plan of Weglot. So if you have some questions, some comments about Weglot, don't hesitate to write down. Thanks for watching.